Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here is the part 2 of our video series in which we are learning space related terms in Korean language. Today we are going to explore the fascinating world of planets. In this video, I will be sharing with you the names of our celestial neighbors in the Korean language along with their unique meanings. So, let's dive into the universe and discover how the planets are named in Korean. Okay, now we know that there are 8 planets in our solar system, and they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, now across all cultures worldwide, planet names often carry significant meanings, right? So similarly, in the Korean language, each planet's name carries a distinct meaning derived from Chinese origins, showcasing a cultural connection. So basically, the planet names in Korean language, they are based on Chinese origin, and each name has a unique relationship with the Korean culture. Okay? Now, also remember one thing, that all the planet names in Korean, they end with the syllable song, translating to star. Song means star, except for Earth. Okay, Earth is named differently in Korean language, right? Now, let's see the names of all the planets in Korean language. First comes Mercury, and in Korean, it is called Su-song. Su-song. Su means water. Okay. Next comes Venus, and in Korean it is named Kum-song. Kum-song. And Kum means gold. Now let's see how to say Earth in Korean language, and that is Chigu. Chigu. Now, as I said earlier, Earth's name in Korean doesn't end with song, right? It is Chigu. So here, Chi means ground or land, and Ku means ball. Okay? Next comes the Korean word for Mars, and that is Hwasong. Hwasong. Here, Hwa means fire. Now comes the Korean word for Jupiter, and that is Boksong. Boksong. And Bok means wood. Now comes the Korean word for Saturn, and that is Tosong. Tosong. To means dirt or soil. Next comes the Korean word for Uranus, and that is Cheonwangsong. Cheonwangsong. Here, Cheon means sky or heaven, and Wang means king, right? And Song, we all know, translates to star. Next comes the Korean word for Neptune, and that is Haewangsong. Haewangsong. Hae means sea, and Wang translates to king, right? So, today we learned the names of all the planets in the solar system in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.